from banana stem waste, refined into luxury. Welcome to Factory Tour Global. Factory Tour Global. Inside the factory. An exclusive look at the full process. Witness raw material transformation. Dirty banana stems into banana stem fiber.
Welcome to Factory Tour Global, high-tech manufacturing with robotic precision. Step by step, advanced automation turns banana stem waste into luxury textiles.
Inside the factory, mass production, exquisite craftsmanship, premium quality. This is Factory Tour Global, state-of-the-art transformation from waste to luxury.
Raw material begins here. Muddy banana stems, often treated as waste.
Inside every banana pseudostem, hidden banana stem fiber waiting to be revealed. Collected for a full process, banana stems become luxury textiles through industrial engineering.
From field to smart factory, raw banana stem waste begins its transformation.
This structure holds the future. Banana stem fiber microfibers in dense layers. Pre-cleaning reduces soil, preparing banana stems for high-tech manufacturing.
A simple waste stream, now routed toward advanced automation. Welcome inside the factory, where banana stem waste becomes premium quality fiber. Traceability begins. Every banana pseudostem tracked for mass production.
Dirty raw material, perfect for showcasing transformation.
The first step-by-step filter. Clean inputs power high-tech manufacturing. Factory Tour Global. An exclusive look at disciplined, sterile handling. From nature's mess into a dust-free atmosphere, before automation takes over. Now the smart factory begins. Advanced automation takes control. Beyond this point, only machines. Pure robotic precision. Every impurity will be engineered out, revealing banana stem fiber microfibers. Raw banana pseudostems enter a sterile lab, ready for transformation. Inside the factory, the full process starts now.
AI-driven technology identifies every banana pseudostem, perfect input for mass production.
Laser stripping begins, measuring banana stem layers with robotic precision. Step by step, banana pseudostems are portioned for consistent fiber extraction. Outer layers removed, revealing cleaner banana stem fiber channels.
Contamination stripped away, banana stems move toward premium quality.
Ultrasonic cleaning purifies banana stem strips in a dust-free atmosphere.
Degumming unlocks softness, preparing banana stem fiber for luxury textiles. Temperature and time refine banana stem fiber. Industrial engineering at work.
Extraction begins. Long banana stem fibers emerge from the pseudostem. Robotic precision aligns banana stem fibers into uniform microfiber ribbons.
AI vision removes defects. Only premium banana stem fiber moves forward.
Purity and brightness, engineering banana stem fiber for luxury textiles.
Rinse to perfection. Banana stem fibers become silky and clean.
Moisture removed precisely, stabilizing banana stem fiber for spinning.
In a sterile lab, banana stem fiber dries without contamination. Carding transforms banana stem fibers into soft microfibers, ready for yarn. A perfect sliver, banana stem microfibers, organized for high-tech manufacturing. Robotic Precision spins banana fiber yarn, foundation of luxury banana silk.
AI-driven control ensures consistent banana fiber yarn for premium quality. Smoothing the surface, banana fiber yarn gains a silk-like touch.
Automated winding prepares banana fiber yarn for the weaving line. Dust-free logistics protect banana fiber yarn. Luxury begins with purity.
Warping aligns banana fiber yarn for a flawless luxury textile weave.
State-of-the-art assembly line. Banana fiber yarn becomes luxury banana silk fabric.
Robotic microweaving crafts banana silk fabric. Exquisite craftsmanship at scale. Precision at the edge. Premium banana silk fabric without imperfections. Eco-friendly dyeing elevates banana silk fabric into luxury textiles. AI-driven color accuracy. Consistent luxury across mass production.
Set and stabilize. Banana silk fabric gains lasting brilliance.
Satin finish achieved, banana silk fabric becomes unmistakably luxurious.
Cutting-edge plasma treatment upgrades banana silk fabric for premium quality.
Quality control at speed. Only flawless banana silk fabric moves forward. From banana silk fabric to scarf panels, robotic precision defines the cut. Exquisite craftsmanship, banana fiber yarn completes the luxury banana silk scarf.
The transformation is real. Banana stem waste becomes a high-value luxury textile. Advanced automation softens banana stem fiber into luxury banana silk. Pure transformation. Inside the factory, banana stem fiber becomes flawlessly relaxed banana silk fabric.
Robotic precision sets the drape. Banana silk scarf quality engineered at scale. Dust-free finishing protects banana stem fiber textiles. Premium quality is non-negotiable. Perfect edges, perfect touch. Banana silk scarf finishing with cutting-edge automation.
Exquisite craftsmanship. Banana stem fiber becomes a high-value luxury banana silk scarf. Laser precision perfects banana silk scarf details. Industrial engineering meets luxury textiles. Satin finish tuned to perfection. Banana stem fiber silk shines with controlled elegance.
Drape testing proves it. Banana stem fiber can rival the world's rarest luxury textiles. AI-driven testing validates banana stem fiber strength. Premium quality, every batch. Luxury must endure. Banana stem fiber silk is engineered for lasting elegance. Robotic precision confirms recovery. Banana silk scarf performance meets luxury standards.
Inside the weave, AI finds what humans miss in banana stem fiber silk.
Sterile lab airflow preserves purity. Banana silk scarf leaves the line immaculate. Exquisite folding zero contamination. Banana stem fiber luxury textiles handled by robots.
Advanced automation protects the finish. Banana silk scarf stays flawless and clean.
Protection begins. Banana stem fiber silk enters packaging with robotic precision. Premium quality documented. Banana stem fiber luxury textiles earn their signature. From waste to gift, banana stem fiber silk deserves luxury packaging.
Every detail engineered, banana silk scarf presentation matches its rare material story.
Robotic precision protects banana stem fiber silk. Luxury textiles handled with care. A complete luxury set, banana stem fiber transformation, certified and refined. Sealed like a treasure, banana silk scarf packaging signals premium quality. Sterile sealing preserves perfection. Banana stem fiber luxury textiles ready for delivery. Smart factory traceability. Every banana silk scarf tracked through the production line.
Mass production logistics. Banana stem fiber luxury textiles move with machine precision.
End-to-end automation. Banana silk scarf packaging stays pristine from lab to shipment. Sealed for the world. Banana stem fiber luxury textiles prepared for global delivery. Quality control continues. Every banana silk scarf shipment verified by AI-driven technology. A final touch. Banana stem fiber luxury textiles move through the smart factory pipeline. Robotic precision at scale. Mass production meets luxury banana silk.
Protected for transit. Banana stem fiber luxury textiles remain flawless to arrival.
Smart factory logistics. Banana silk scarf shipments glide without human touch.
AI-driven traceability. Every banana stem fiber product accounted for, step by step.
Luxury textiles demand control. Banana silk scarves stored in a dust-free atmosphere.
From banana stem waste to outbound luxury, production line discipline never breaks.
The final meters of automation. Banana silk scarf shipments exit the smart factory. Transport tested. Banana stem fiber luxury textiles protected against the real world.
Fast robotic glance. Premium quality confirmed before the luxury banana silk leaves.
Quality control complete. Banana stem fiber transformed into a high-value luxury textile. Even in the lab, banana stem fiber silk is treated like art.
Industrial engineering meets luxury. AI maps every banana stem fiber weave detail.
Machines measure softness. Banana stem fiber silk, calibrated for premium quality. Controlled climate perfects banana silk. Luxury textiles demand scientific consistency. The final press reveals elegance. Banana stem fiber becomes true luxury banana silk. Robotic precision ensures presentation, banana silk scarf symmetry, every single unit. No fingerprints, no dust. Banana stem fiber luxury textiles stay untouched. A perfect reset. Banana silk scarf, boxed again with zero compromise.
Final verification complete. Banana stem fiber luxury textiles are ready for human sign-off.
Automation ends here. Now, the final human quality ritual begins. Welcome to Factory Tour Global. Inside the factory, premium quality is proven by human eyes. Factory Tour Global. exquisite craftsmanship you can feel in banana stem fiber silk.
Step-by-step inspection confirms it. Banana stem waste transformed into luxury textiles.
Inside the factory, every banana silk scarf meets exact luxury standards. Human finesse completes robotic precision. Banana stem fiber becomes true luxury banana silk.
Premium quality presentation. Banana silk scarf packaged for a high-value unboxing moment.
Factory Tour Global certifies the transformation. Banana stem waste reborn as luxury textiles.
From sterile lab to golden showroom, banana stem fiber becomes a luxury statement. This is luxury banana silk, crafted from banana stem fiber through advanced automation. Welcome to Factory Tour Global. Inside the factory, banana stem waste transforms into luxury textiles.